Hi, good morning, children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya digital learning class. Hi, kids. How are you? I hope you all are safe. Yes. Before going to the topic, we should do warm-up exercise. Be ready, student. Sit in a place. Sit. Stand. Hands up. Put your hands down. 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 Okay, children. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap. Stop. Clap. Stop. Clap. Stop. Clap. Stop. Clap. Stop. Clap. Stop. Okay, children. Sit in your place. Children, take out a classwork. Last class what you learned? How to add column method in addition. Today column method in subtraction. You should write. Okay. Write in column method and subtract. Okay. See, children. First one. Rupees 56.90 from rupees 97.50. Okay. See, from all you should minus this number to this number. Understood? See, first of all you should draw the column. Rupees, paisa. See, minus. See, what is that? This number to this number. As from rupees 56.90 from rupees 97.50. 97.50 should write up. Again you should write down 56.90 paisa. Understood? Now see, this is rupees column, this is paisa column you should write. Yes or no? See, paisa first you should minus. 0 minus 0, 0. In the 5, 9 will go? No. You should take borrow from here, year to year. Year 15, year 6. In the 15, 9 should minus. Yes, you can do minus. 9 after, up to 15 you should count. 9 after, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers came? 6. That 6 you should write here. Again, dot you should write here. 6 minus 6, 0. In the 9, 5 should minus. 5 after, up to 9 you should count. 5 after, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers came? 4. That 4 you should write here. What is that answer? Rupees 40.60 paisa. Understood? Now B1. Rupees 47.50 paisa from rupees 76.90 paise. What you have to do? You should minus this number to this number. First of all, you should write the column method. Rupees, paisa. S. C. Subtraction symbol is minus symbol. Always you should write symbols. Okay. See, from which number, this number to this number you should minus. S. 76. 76 rupees point 90 paisa. Paisa column you should write. Next, minus 47.50 paisa. Okay. See here, 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 5. 5 after up to 9 you should count. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers came? 4. That 4 you should write here. Understood? Again, this point you should write here. Okay. Next, here 6 is there, here 7 is there. It will go. No, you should take borrow from here. Here 16, here 6. As in the 16, 7 should minus. 7 after up to 16 you should count. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many fingers came? 9 fingers. That 9 you should write here. Here 6, here 4. In the 6, 4 should minus. 4 after up to 6 you should count. 4 after 5, 6. How many fingers? 2. That 2 you should write here. What is that answer? Rupees 29.40 paisa. Understood, children? Right. Write in your classwork. Take out your workbook, children. Everyone, take out your workbook. Did you understood? Subtraction. 2 more sums I should give. I will give 2 more sums, okay? See, children, from, if they given from, you should see that big number. That one you should write first. After that, small number. If they given like this, 96.50 minus rupees 45.40 paisa. If they given like this, what you have to do? You should directly you can write. Okay. First you should draw the column. Rupees, paisa. See 96.50 paisa minus rupees 45.40 paisa. Okay. See, 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 4. In the 5, you should cut 4. Yes, 4 after 5, only 1. This point you should write here. Here 6, here 5. In the 6, 5 should minus. 5 after 6, only 1 finger. That 1 you should write here. 9 minus 4. 4 after up to 9 you should count. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers? 5 fingers. That 5 you should write here. What is that answer? Rupees 51.10 paisa is the answer. B1. Rupees 85.90 minus rupees 67.80 paise. Okay. First of all, you should draw the column as rupees column, paisa column. Minus symbol. See, 85.90. Again rupees 67.80. Okay. Now 0 minus 0, 0. In the 9, 8 should minus. 9 after up to 8 after up to 9 you should count. 8 after 9, only 1. My point. Here 7 is there, here 5 is there. It will go, no. You should take borrow from here. 15 here, here 7. In the 15, 7 should minus. 7 after up to 15 you should count. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers? 8 fingers. That 8 you should write here. In the 7, 6 should minus. 6 after up to 7 you should count. 6 after 7, only 1. That one you should write. What is that answer? Rupees 18.10 paise. Understood, children? Right. Next, open your workbook. Workbook open, everyone. Over this. Workbook part, children. See, recall. Multiple choice question. 50 paisa plus 50 paisa plus 50 paisa. How many paisa will come? 50 paisa, 50 paisa, 50 paisa. See, 50 paisa, 50 paisa, 50 paisa. See, you can 15. 150 or 1 rupee 50 paisa. Yes or no? You can write both. Can write both 150 or 1 rupee 50 paisa also. What is that option? Option D is the correct. A and C. Understood? Both is correct only. Next, 20 rupees plus 20 rupees plus 50 paisa. 20 rupees plus 20 rupees plus 50 paisa. See, 40 rupees 50 paisa. Where it is? Option C. Yes. Next, 70 rupees minus 50 rupees. 70 rupees minus 50 rupees. 0 minus 0, 0. In the 7, 5 should minus 2. What is that? 20 rupees. Option C. Yes or no, children? Next, multiple choice questions. 20 rupees plus 10 rupees. 20 rupees plus 10 rupees. 30 rupees. Where it is? Option D. Next, 50 rupees minus 10 rupees. 0. In the 5, 1 should minus 4. 40 rupees. Where it is? Option A. Sixth one. 40 paisa plus 20 paisa. 40 paisa plus 20 paisa. 60 paisa. Where it is? Option B. Next, what is that? Fill in the blanks. 30 rupees plus 30 rupees. 30 rupees plus 30 rupees. 3 plus 3, 6. 60 rupees. 60 rupees. Rupees 60. Next, 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10. 10 rupees plus 10 rupees. 20 rupees. Rupees 20. Ninth one. What is that? 50 rupees 50 paisa minus 40 rupees 50 paisa. 50 rupees 50 paisa. Rupees column, paisa column. Okay. Next, minus 40 rupees 50 paisa. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 4, 1. 10 rupees. Rupees 10. Right? Tenth one. What is that? Rupees 70.10 paisa minus rupees 20. What you have to do? 20, sir. Rupees 20.10 paisa. See. Rupees column, paisa column. 70, 10 paisa minus 20, 10 paisa. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. In the 7, 2 should minus. 2 after, up to 7 you should count. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many? 5. 50 rupees. Rupees 50. 11th one. Rupees 20 paisa plus rupees 20.20 paisa. What you have to do? Rupees column, paisa column. 20 plus 20. 20 rupees 20 paisa plus 20 rupees 20 paisa. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 2, 4. Point. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 2, 4. Rupees 40.40 paise. Okay. 12th one. What is that? Rupees 50.50 paisa minus rupees 50.50 paisa. See children, 50 rupees, rupees column, paisa column. 50.50 paisa minus 50.50 paisa. 0, 0.00. What is that answer? 0 rupees. Understood? Next, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th. You should do. That is your work. Tomorrow I will check. Okay? Is it right or wrong? I will check. 13, 14, 15, 16.